Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue our update of the top 25 buildings under construction in Kingston. Now, earlier this week we went through the first 5, and remember, these buildings are not in any specific order it's not a countdown. We're just giving you an update, and we're going to do this every month of these buildings that are under construction. We will give you more detailed videos of each one during the month, but we just, at the beginning of every month, we want to show everybody how far these buildings have reached under construction. So this is the Chemtech building. It's located on Constant Spring Road. It's 6 floors, and the top 2 floors will be for Chemtech. Chemtech is a developer in Jamaica that builds houses all over the island. And the top 2 floors will be for Chemtech. The middle 2 floors will be for a call center, and the first 2 floors will be commercial space that you can rent. Very nice building. It should be finished sometime this year. So I guess you could say this one is a mixed-use building or more commercial, and it's located in the heart of the city of Kingston, Constant Spring Road. And remember guys, if there was any building that we didn't put on the list and you want us to add to the update list, just leave a message in the comment section below and we will add it. Alright, so we're going to move on to the next one now. This one is on Lady Musgrave Road. Very nice building. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 floors. I think this one is 80 LMR. That's 80 Lady Musgrave Road. Very, very nice building, very artistic. It should also finish sometime this year. This one is also commercial, and it's located right across from Spick and Span Dry Cleaners, just to give you an idea of where on Lady Musgrave Road it is. And it's actually 2 buildings. The building to the right, also under construction, that is a separate building. A lot of people thought this was one big development, but it's actually 2 buildings. A wall separates them, and it's commercial. Okay, this now is the building that was actually beside that one, but we're just showing you from Lady Musgrave Road. This building is Trafalgar one, which is also a commercial building. This is a huge building. And this one is located on Trafalgar Road. So that's why it's a new thing they're doing nowadays, where they name the buildings after their address. Like 80 LMR, Trafalgar one. This one is actually 1 Trafalgar Road. And these buildings are in New Kingston, so they will be prime real estate. This one looks like it will be finished in 2025. Okay, this one is called Abeng. It's residential and it's in New Kingston. But this one is by Braemar Avenue in New Kingston. It's off Trafalgar Road. And this is actually a massive building. When it was going up, we didn't realize it was going to be this big. It's actually, this building, it's very... not a lot has been said about it. It's actually right across the road from Via at the Braemar, which is a 10-floor building. Also residential. Most of the buildings on this side are New Kingston are residential buildings. Not sure when this one is going to be completed. Could be 2025, 2026. Okay, this one is 45 HR, which is 45 Hope Road. And this one is a 10-floor building and it's commercial. It's actually located across the road from Jamaica House. It's on the same side as TGIF Friday, but just across from Jamaica House. Massive building. Now, the completion dates for these buildings keep changing. So, based on, we're not going to go off the completion date that they have on, say, the billboard or the completion date they give, but based on how this building looks, it should be finished in 2025. Alright, guys, so this is an additional 5. So, we've gone through 10 buildings. Now we're going to ask you, which one of these 5 do you like the most? Which one is the most artistic? And we actually choose this one, but that's just our choice. You guys can leave a comment in the section below letting us know which one you like the most based on how far the building has reached. This is the one at 80 Lady Musgrave Road. Very, very nicely designed. And our second choice, we will show you based on these 5. And remember, if there's a building that we haven't shown that you want us to show, just leave a comment in the section below. We'll happily add it to the list. So we think this one is the nicest in terms of architecture. And the second nicest so far would be this one, the Chemtech building. Very, very nicely done. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.